the log pop. Kitchens are one of the most challenging yet intimate parts of a project that any designer can do. As an interior designer, I often get asked about the best materials for your kitchen countertops, so I decided to create a video comparing the pros and cons of some of the most popular choices. We're going to explore the beauty, functionality of marble, granite, quartz, quartzite, onyx, and porcelain. I'm going to give you the breakdown of what option could work for you, the good, the bad, and the troublesome of each. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't seen my videos before, my name is Phoenix Gray, aka Design Daddy, and this channel is all about interior design. Regardless if you're renting or renovating, I'm here to help. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Mr. Phoenix Gray, where you can see all my daily tips and tricks. Marble countertops are probably one of the most controversial choices, but are timeless and elegant for your kitchens. The luxurious appeal of these unique veined patterns make them stand out compared to anything in comparison. The pros of marble, meaning that it would have a timeless aspect, and unique veining. Everyone loves a good chunky vein. Does that sound stupid? That sounds so bad. Oh, you know what you do? Put the Snickers bar with the vein. And people that will get it will get it. Yeah. The pros of marble would be that it has a timeless aspect and it has unique veining. Honestly, we love a veiny marble. And it is also heat resistant, which you think would be good enough to be like, yeah, let's go with this one. But the cons end up being more impactful than the pros. Marble is extremely porous, is prone to etching and staining with almost anything you put on it. It's more expensive than other materials and requires regular sealing to keep up the maintenance. So keep this in mind if you're selecting this finish of your space, because marble is a high maintenance bitch. Granite has been a favorite for kitchen countertops for years, and it's hard not to see why. This natural stone offers a wide range of colors and patterns, making it suitable for various kitchen styles, but it is aged quickly, and honestly, it looks more dated than you think it does compared to regular patterns and other things you can use for your kitchen surfaces. Pros of granite is that it is a natural stone, making it extremely unique and durable as well as scratch resistant. It also has a heat resist, making it suitable for busy kitchens. Since it is a natural stone, much like marble, it does require periodic sealing and can also be more expensive than other natural stones. It does have more chunks and colors to it, but it also is susceptible to chipping at the edges. Quartz countertops have gained immense popularity in the recent years due to their low maintenance characteristics and versatility. Unlike natural stones, quartz is engineered with resin, which leads to consistent color and pattern options, which means that you can get really unique looking slabs that can easily match your interior design style without it looking too dated. Quartz is great because it has far less eminence compared to natural stone, and it's non-porous, making it resistant to staining. No sealing was required, and it can come in a wide variety of colors and patterns since it's man-made. So you can get almost exactly the look that you want without having to compromise and wait on the right veining pattern, which you typically would when you're searching for marble slabs. The cons of quartz is that it's vulnerable to heat damage since it is an engineered resin. You do have to use pads and trivets, so be very careful if you have a busy kitchen. It's also sensitive to harsh cleaning materials, which means you need to avoid any abrasive cleaners, otherwise you can ruin it. Quartzite is a natural stone and it is often confused with quartz due to its similar name. But they are entirely different materials. Quartzite is a metamorphic rock formed from sandstone, resulting in a beautiful alternative if you like the idea of your stone or slab being natural. Quartz is great in slab format to have that luxurious, elegant appearance that is also heat resistant and durable. You won't get any staining or etching like you would with marble. Once again, with it being a natural stone, you do have to seal it regularly, which is a con. It can also cost more than marble, which really can blow your budget out of proportion if you're not careful. Since it's natural, you are limited to the color options available, and it's not as wild in terms of marble in the flow and how the chunks and veining may appear in it. Onyx is honestly stunning. It's a translucent stone with a unique pattern that adds a touch of luxury to any kitchen that has started to gain popularity as of late with the residential sector. Personally, it's one of my least favorite ones. However, it's essential to consider the pros and cons before considering it as a countertop material, as it is more delicate than any of the other natural stones that we've reviewed. Onyx is probably one of the most beautiful natural stones you can use because it's so rare, and the translucent properties allow a real wow factor that you can bring attention to it that not many of the other natural stones have. With that being said, onyx is also very soft, making it prone to scratching and chipping way faster than any other stone. It also requires regular sealing like the other natural stones, if not more times a year. Typically, you would seal a stone 3 to 4 times a year. Some people do it seasonally. I would honestly do it every other month with Onyx because it is so delicate. With that being said, it's also extremely susceptible to staining and discoloration, which makes it more obvious if you end up backlighting it because you're going to see the etching and the actual marks of any stains that are visible on it. Porcelain countertops are known for their durability and easy maintenance. They are made from the mixture of clay and other materials, resulting in a strong, versatile surface. You really can get the luxurious look for less if you want to get a dupe on the look of stone. Porcelain is your way to go if you want to have that duped look of marble or any natural surface. It's highly durable and resistant to scratching. Because it's man-made and printed, it's non-porous, making it resistant to staining, which is a huge bonus. With the nano ink technology that a lot of companies have nowadays, you can really get a duped natural stone with it almost looking like the real thing. From far away, you can barely tell. Up close, you will always notice the difference and the depth and dimension you get from natural stone, but porcelain is a really great alternative if you're looking to work within budget. That being said, it is a print on porcelain, so that means it doesn't go all the way down the entire thickness of the slab like a natural stone would. And the finished edges will more than likely have a visible seam at the corner at a 90-degree angle versus a softer edge like natural stone that you would get in the fabrication process. It is susceptible to chipping at the edges where it's weaker and not entirely heat resistant, so keep that in mind if you do have a busy kitchen. And that's it. Now you have all the pros and cons of various kitchen countertops that are most commonly used. When it comes to choosing the right material for your kitchen, consider your budget, lifestyle, and aesthetic preferences. Whether you opt for the timeless beauty of marble, the durability of granite, the low maintenance appeal of quartz, or any of the other materials, each one offers something unique to elevate your kitchen space, and each has its own budget to match yours. As a designer, I'm quite biased and will always choose a natural stone to get that one-of-a-kind look, but these are all great alternatives if you're looking to make your kitchen beautiful. Be sure to like this video, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok for all my daily design advice at Mr. Phoenix Gray. Remember, if you're ever second-guessing yourself, just think, what would Design Daddy do?